Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign into your Google account and allow Calendar to access contacts and notifications so invites and reminders work. Once done, open Settings, choose your account, and enable sync for the calendars you need. This keeps mobile and web identical. Make sure to set a default calendar, default event length, start of week, and working hours. That saves taps later and prevents accidental scheduling outside your routine. Now build smarter events. Tap the plus button or use Quick Add to name the event, add location and a Google Meet link, and invite guests so everyone receives updates. Next, set recurrence with daily, weekly, or custom rules and stack reminders, for example 1 hour and 10 minutes, so you avoid last-minute rushes. Also assign a color for visual grouping, attach relevant Drive files, and decide whether attendees get push notifications or email, because that affects response timing. Finish by integrating and sharing. Add external calendars or subscribe to team and holiday calendars so everything is visible in one place. Once integrated, share calendars with tailored permissions and use appointment slots or the Find a Time feature to simplify group scheduling. Before you wrap up, export a copy for backup and enable offline access if needed. If events don't appear, clear app cache, force a resync, or toggle calendar visibility. That fixes most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.